Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate quick launch feature on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then go to the advanced features, side key, and here you can disable this double press. And as you can see right now, I have the quick launch camera on it, and it opens me camera quickly, but if I disable it, it does nothing, only locks my device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.